What's up, YouTube? It's the Wasatch Wizard. Welcome back to the Premier Train. We just have Wheels Treasures. Up next we have Wild West Stacker, and then Mrs. Coin Crew, Triple P. New this week is Patriarchal Stacker. Can't wait to see his video. Big Red Boying, and then we're going to finish off the train with Everyday Opportunity. Wild West Stacker is out. Wild West Stacker has been conducting the train. Well, he had this idea from Bald Guy Money where he did some math, did a bunch of numbers, and found out where you have to be in the top 20% of silver stackers in the world, top 5%, and the top 1%. And Wild West had the idea that, hey, let's all show our stack to get us up into the top 1% or whatever. Well, sorry to disappoint you, but I am not in the 1% yet. But I am getting there close. I'm getting there. So I thought I'd show kind of my journey of how I've been progressing in my silver stacking journey. And it really starts off with several years ago. I inherited a bunch of silver. That's what we saw in the introduction here. Wasn't this chest, that comes later. But I got a bunch of these half dollars. Actually, it wasn't just half dollars. There's more here. Oh. Yeah, but got a bunch of these half dollars. Got some Benjis, some candies. There's even some Walking Liberties that are not in here. I think it's some Morgans and some peace dollars and some quarters. Now, this is not exactly what I inherited. I have sold some, I've traded some, I've gotten other stuff. But it was about this much silver. It was about, well, here I have about 44 ounces of silver. Actual silver weight. And I actually had this for quite a while. You know, these are not in the best condition. Hey, this Benji looks pretty good. You know, by no means proof or numismatic, but it's silver, it's not too bad. Well, maybe that's not too bad, but hey, it's still silver. So that's what I got, and that's all it was for quite a while. Then I was getting more into prepping, and I really wanted to have some silver for prepping. So I went out and got a couple art bars. I bought these off AppMex, which it seems like AppMex is the beginner's place for buying silver. If you're new to it, if you go online, there's a good chance AppMex is what you're going to find. And I also made another mistake. I only bought 2 of those, so I did not get free shipping. I had to pay shipping on top of that. So, you know, beginner's mistakes. That's how you learn, right? But there's actually something really lucky about this, because last year when we were in the silver squeeze, because these are dragons and dragons are really popular, last year these were, when silver was $30 an ounce, these were selling on eBay for $60 an ounce. Now silver's gone down, these have gone down a bit too, but the premium on these has actually done pretty well. So I'm really happy with that. And then after that, you know, did some more stacking. Ooh, where is... I got some more silver coins that I know Patriotic Stacker will just love. Watched his live stream last week and he said that he just loves these coins. Once again from AppMex, but the Austrian Philharmonic. Wiener Philharmonic. I don't know how to say it. I don't speak Austrian or German. But hey, I love music, and so I love these coins. So I got a few of these. Got another one of these, so I had even 3. And that was it at first. And then, you know, wait a bit longer. After a while, I bought some more art bars. Actually, with that one, I started to look even more into coins. And I got these. This is from the 825th anniversary of the Austrian Mint. We have Aldo Leopold. Fascinating story there of how he got the mint by kidnapping King George. That's a really crazy story. That's the castle where I think it's where the mint was, or that he got from the ransom from King George and from Robin Hood, because, well, that's really loose link, but I guess Austria didn't want to make coins of King George, so why not make a Robin Hood? But yeah, got these coins, and I just left it at that for a while. So, by the way, I don't know if I mentioned, the coins here that I got was enough to put me in the top 20% of silver stackers. That's 41 to 54 ounces of silver. And so with all this here, it's still there. This was like over several years. Just a little bit here and there, you know. So now it makes sense why these numbers for hardcore silver stackers may seem really low, but if you're not hardcore, then that really explains a lot. One year, for Christmas, my father-in-law gave us 3 American Silver Eagles. Got these on the 25th. They are dated for the kid's birthday. And something about that just, I don't know, triggered something in me. That's where it really started hardcore stacking. So within a few days, the end of December, I bought a bunch more Silver Eagles. Then the 1st or 2nd of January, I bought even more Silver Eagles. And that's really when I started hardcore stacking. Coincidentally, apparently that's also when I started my YouTube channel. Because I went back, looked at my first video. It's not that great, but you know, it's still there. And that first video was unboxing Silver Eagles. My 2 orders of Silver Eagles. And that's what really got going. By the way, when I first bought them, I was getting these airtights with a black seal. NFT says that these are not good. They leave black or disintegrate after a while. That has not been my experience. After using these for 2.5 years, these are the these are the name brand airtights. So that might be part of it. Might be something else. The reason I went to these smaller capsules is just because it's easier just to find storage for these. There's the airtight tubes, there's the other ones. And so what I actually just bought was this container of, let's zoom out here. Get that junk out of there. So this is a container I bought off Amazon. It actually came with 60 airtight capsules. But when I started putting these in here, most of them already had air capsules. The only exception was these from the Austrian Mint and my Silver Eagles that I've been putting with the black rings. But yeah, so I've been stacking ever since then. This is not like you see in the other videos where they're buying tubes of silver at once or things like that. I just buy consistently every single month, and it's been growing. So we got lots of these. We got I've been buying these Tudor Beasts live in England. I'm hoping that later I can flip these for a profit. We'll see there. Let's see. We got the Britannias. I got this Horse of Hanover. Just because the family likes horses. You know. Let's see here. What else is there? Oh, yeah, the Phoenix. Kookaburras. I like the Kookaburras. Recently I was at a coin shop and saw this panda. I've been avoiding pandas because of the premiums are just so high. But this coin shop, it was a really good premium, so really low premium, so I picked that up there. And ever since then, it's been a mix of sometimes I'll go for the low premiums, sometimes I'll go for the semi-numismatics. Like I got these 3 Beskar bars. Oh yeah, I get a junk silver too. So we got a bunch of dimes here. Let's throw those in there. And the reason I'm doing this is because New Silver Stacker came up with this challenge to fill out the treasure box with silver, specifically 9% silver. I've been working on that challenge. This, there are some 40s, but I don't care. They're 40s, they're what I got. I actually did something unique here, because there's a lot of space in this lid. I bought this at one of the craft stores. It was unfinished. I stained it. I put a polyurethane finish on it. I also put this lid on it so that there's even more storage in there. I keep that closed just because I don't want it to fall down. Got my magnets, neodymium magnets for testing. Let's see, what else have I been doing here? Also buying just generic silver, just low premium silver. Here's my immune tube I was working on for a while there. So there's a series of new semi-numismatics, just all different kinds. Let's put that there. It's about 150 ounces. So all this puts me in the range of the top 5% of silver stackers in the world. And that is 132 to 174 ounces. I do not have enough to go up to the top 1%, so I'll just stop here. I'm going to keep stacking. I'm sure in a few years I'll get to the top 1%. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a magical day.